First, depressurize the system by closing the upstream and downstream valves. Next, open the main drainage valve and the command filter drainage valve to release any trapped water. Verify that the filter is depressurized by using your controller app or an external pressure gauge if exists. Close the valves after all pressure has been released. Release the two universal nuts. Then disconnect the tube fitting nuts from the drain pipe. Now change the direction of the drainage pipe. Tighten the two universal nuts and reconnect the two fitting nuts to the drain pipe. Pressurize the system by opening the downstream and upstream valve and check for any leaks. Finally, initiate a manual flush procedure. Your system is now ready for operation.